A few years ago, when a UK publication revealed that Vybz Kartel along with Bob Marley and Tupac Shakur were among the most requested artists on Prisoner's playlist, dancehall haters said it was no big deal. Based on reports from a reported trial and whispers in legal circles, we now know that the jury that was put in place for Kartel's trial had all kinds of things in common, like jobs, relatives, and parties, right? Which would have made it impossible for him to actually have had a fair trial. When the jury ignored the arguments of questionable and missing evidence put forward by the defense, detractors or haters then laughed, celebrating the fact that they were sure that the career and notoriety of World Boss was now over. Alright? However, fast forward to today, 2016. Then perhaps the most respected magazine on the planet, Time magazine, if not the one of the, named Vybz Kartel the most Googled name in Jamaica and Guyana. It seems the joke about Kartel's career ended, or career's ending, is now on the haters. Alright? This time has left the system in a state of confusion, as they thought that a curiously assembled jury, a frigged up assembled jury then, could do what the Broadcast Commission, Night Noises, ruled and raids on his nightclub and studio couldn't accomplish: silence the world boss. They usually dismiss news from Kartel's infamy as propaganda by Gaza fans, as they claim no one else cares, but one wonders if they are going to call Google and Time magazine liars too. Here is the scary truth for persons who love to hate Kartel. His voice has gotten louder and louder, and his fan base has grown triple, quadruple fold since his incarceration. So if they lock him up for make the man voice smaller, or for make the man disappear and make his fan base diminish, you actually martyred him. You turned him into a bigger superstar. Alright? How loud? Let's check how loud the voice got. Check out these facts. His recent album, Vybz is King, is the most successful purely dancehall album on the global iTunes chart in recent years, which suggests that it is not only fans in Portmore that are buying Kartel's music. His book was top rated in categories on Amazon Kindle for more than a year, and it can now be found in prestigious universities such as Princeton, Yale, and Cambridge. The critically acclaimed book is now available in the US Library of Congress. When you don't pay attention, the British public library system and libraries in non-English speaking cities like Berlin, Germany, Poland, Ireland. Using Kartel music is professionally choreographed dances is the new trend in Russia, and when dance teams from Poland and the Netherlands went head to head in a dance-off, it was Kartel's music that they danced to. Even our own political people, the politicians, them can't help themselves. On the political trail, them have to draw for two Kartel tune. Alright? One got in trouble for quoting Kartel's lyrics at a political meeting, and a senior member of the opposition tweeted a line from Kartel's mega hit Clarks on a Twitter account said to be owned by him. See that? You know who we are talking already. I'm a run for Prime Minister right now against Portia Miller. Anyway, according to sources close to Kartel, 2016 will be even bigger. Gaza fans, wanna listen. There are promos for more of his previously recorded music set to hit the digital stores, and his business partner and co-author confirmed that negotiations with a filmmaker who won the prestigious Sundance Film Festival about doing a film based on his books are in far advanced stages of negotiation. Alright. It is easy to understand why the system hates Vybz Kartel. Whilst the mainstream media never exposed the dead babies scandal in Jamaica until 2015, Kartel wrote extensively about Jamaica's terrible infant mortality rate in his book from 2011. Yet another reason why he is the voice of the ghetto that the system thought they could get rid of. Love him or hate him, one thing is for sure, bossy. Adidja Asim Palmer may be incarcerated, but he is certainly never silenced. Because reputable companies like Time Magazine and Google and iTunes and Amazon stats will expose the truth. His enemies can twist and turn the facts about him as they did in the case. But the numbers don't lie. As we say in Jamaica, world boss still run the place, doggy. We wish him all the best for another year, and we are sure that the whole of we as Gaza fans hope that appeals start. It is now early 2016. So we hope the appeals start and they come through. So for us, every day can be Christmas. It's SouFLoTV, man. We're going to keep it nice and short. We say big up, big up, big up. World boss. You know what I say? We say free world boss. And if you don't know who world boss is Vybz Kartel. We say free the man, make the man come on road, come do him thing. Alright? And even if you don't lock him up and you still can't silence the voice. Okay? It's SouFLoTV, man. We up out of here. Peace and big up every Gaza fan. See it there? Alright.